A central Chinese township home to Uyghurs and Hui ethnic minorities has been regarded as a model for ethnic unity and progress. In China, most ethnic Uyghur people live in northwest China's Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region, but a group of Uyghur people also live in a central Chinese area, Fengshu Township of Taoyuan County in Hunan Province, observing the traditions and customs there unique to the people of the ethnic Uyghur background for more than 600 years. According to records, an ancestor of the group won a battle in Hunan in 1372 by order of the founding emperor of Ming Dynasty, with his descendants settling in the Chengde and Taoyuan counties of Hunan. With a population of around 32,000, Fengshu Township is home to around 8,000 Uyghur people, and over 1,300 people of the Hui ethnic group. In recent years, Fengshu Township has developed modern agriculture processes and promoted its tourism industry, exploring ways to achieve rural revitalization. In Hui Village, a garden of over 67 hectares has attracted visitors since it was built in 2014. Shui Jiping, 60, comes from a Uyghur Hui Han family. He makes a living by selling food in the garden's dining area.
原先是到外头打工啦，外头打工，2000-3000块钱、3000-4000块钱的话，一个月，你还要去找堂客。我这么的话，生意好，如果是生意好的话，一天有个1000把块钱，1000多块钱。你不好的话，还有200-300块钱还是有的。你最好的时候，一天卖11000多块钱、12000多块钱的时候。
Shui Jinggong, an ethnic Hui man, and his wife of Han people have been running a beef cattle farm for more than 20 years.
因为我们每年都要销产值都是400多万，400多万的话，少数民族最多用到100多万，其余的300万都要销给汉族。
Relying on the unique natural conditions and the popularization of agricultural mechanization, Fengshu Township was identified as a core area of the Municipal Modern Agricultural Demonstration Park in 2013. At present, there are 47 professional grain planting cooperatives and 85 family farms in Fengshu Township. Huang Deming, also an ethnic Hui, planting a paddy field of over 100 mu with his wife of Han people. In the past 2 years, he has joined a local agricultural technology development company and started ecological and organic planting. Since then, the family's income has greatly improved. The net income per mu can reach 700 to 800 yuan.
一些大的干部也搞得面对的温度啦，或者一些方面的需要一些么的东西啊，也领导是蛮关心的，都看到有时候双向啊勾引的情况下是你帮我帮你啊，都是，完这个3个民族都还是蛮团结的，那确实么事的话都是你关心我关心的，你帮我帮你啊，未来的话3个民族更加团结，更加兴旺，基本上都。汉族好，徽族好，魏族好，都关系融洽，没有吵过架。不要喊的就直接的都什么的，你帮我，我帮你。
那现在汉族啊和徽族啊，基本上都像一家人一样的。反正我们养牛的啊，汉族人也帮忙，我们徽族人自己给自己帮忙不。